Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, let's just start right here. We're not going to do our normal format. This is going to be more of this isn't an emergency alert. It's nothing like that. But I do want to go over some news, actually, for some first time here. The Solana Network says it's seeing intermittent instability, but its token is holding steady. Great. What are they talking about? Solana has been down for hours due to resource exhaustion, okay? And then we have Reddit over here, which is 15,000 basically likes over here. The Solana blockchain has come to a halt due to a bug. The last TXN was an hour ago. After the bug, teams shut the network down themselves, 100% centralized. Reading the comments in here, people are not very happy about that. Okay, I don't really go over news articles. The only reason why I'm going over this is because I do think it could put a little bit of FUD in the market, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So this is a very good time for you guys to watch this video and understand how I manage these types of situations. I normally do not look at news, but when something like this, where a blockchain actually shuts down due to some are calling it a DOS attack, a DOS attack. I don't know if there's a full conclusion of what exactly is happening and where it's going to go. So I'm not going to dive too much into articles because a lot of those are personal suggestions, I think, at this moment. So what we need to do is we need to manage this correctly. Here's my official call for you guys. I know a lot of you, got into the trade yesterday down here, and that was at 150.11. Here's my official call. We are going to win this trade, so that's awesome. That's great. I want you guys to exit 50% right now at 156.96. This is going to be a market order. It's going to be a 50% exit. Let me get this out here and let me hide this. I am going to make this video a little bit quicker. I will be going over the emotional index and all that stuff possibly tomorrow. I want to call this out real quick so you guys can get this before anyone else. 50% exit is going to be right now. Okay, this is going to be a market order, all right? And that's for everybody who got into that position yesterday at 150. I know this isn't a lot. You guys are going to take home about 6.92% on that. I want you guys to move all of this is not financial advice. I just need to throw that out there. I want you to move the rest of your order to a break-even stop loss, which is called a sell stop in your exchange, to your entry, which is down here at 150.11, okay? That will guarantee you that you win this trade, all right? Now, this will be, let me check my notes here real quick. I want to make sure I have this correctly. This will be our 36th winning trade on this chart. I want you guys to see that. All right, that's what I want you guys to do to manage this trade, okay? Yesterday, a lot of people got in at this buy limit. I'm calling a 50% exit market order. I'm calling a stop loss to be set at the entry. This one, if people wait, I'm covering this quite early. It's 6:20 a.m. on Pacific Standard Time. If the majority of people wake up in the U.S. on Pacific Standard Time and such, and they read those and they drop this market out, or whatever happens, this thing could be going down pretty quickly. Now, if it does, we still have buy limits in here. I also want to call a 50% exit for those of you guys in the original trade that we took. So a 50% exit right here for both trades, okay? I'm going to call this out. Both trades needs to be taken right now if you guys are following me on this chart. Okay, let me go over this a little bit more, and then I'll give you guys a conclusion of where I think it's going to happen here. So you guys, based off this video, you've already won the second trade. Great job. Awesome. The one we had previously, 50% exit, and then what I would like you guys to do is just, I would hold this trade for the moment, okay? I'm not going to call any stop losses for that. I want to just hold it at the moment. We're taking off 50% to what's called mitigate risk in this situation, okay? With the network possibly being shut down and some people saying the last transaction happening, okay? That's something, okay, blockchain has come to a halt due to a bug. The last TNX was an hour ago. Sorry, not transaction. The last TNX was an hour ago. Okay, after the bug, teams shut the network down themselves. Okay, we're trying to find. I'm trying to get a little bit more information on this. An hour ago, I need to look this over a little bit more. I want to get a better resource over here for Solana. I understand that decrypt.co is fairly accurate. Reddit is, I don't know if I trust it that much. But if you guys just go to SOL, and let me just take a second to go through here with you guys so you can literally see how I do this. No, hold on. Stalls for hours. Okay, news.bitcoin. This is actually somewhat of a credible source here. Solana block production stalls for hours. SOL holders unable to transact. Okay, validators deploy a fix. Okay, so is it fully down? No, it's not probably fully down yet. They're probably just trying to find a fix here. The last block on Solana was produced almost 40 minutes ago. not fantastic. Okay, obviously a bearish, well, I don't know if it's going to be bearish because maybe people aren't even able to transact on this. So I'm going to do more research into this. My point of this video, guys, is to get something out here to tell you guys you must mitigate risk right now. For those of you who can exit on this trade, which I believe you still can because the price is still fluctuating. Like the price is live, transactions are still going on. Watch this. 156.98. You guys just got, now went to 7. Great. There are still transactions being had. So you should be able to do this. I'm going to end this video right now, guys. I will go over, probably try to do this on Friday. I will be going over the metrics just real quick, guys. Everything is still looking bullish. I just want to put, like, this is looking very good, guys, for a bullish sentiment. This is looking good. So there are a lot of bullish factors in the market right now for SOL. Remember, if you guys do not have this, please go to pricing over here, sign up for your membership. You get access to the metrics. You will want to be watching this carefully over the next few days because these will be showing you guys what's happening with on-chain metrics here of long and short trades, and it will also be showing you guys what wells and institutions are doing with this. Very important you follow it. Also, if you go to the live trade section over here and you scroll down to SOL, I will be updating buy limits as structures move. So this is a very important time. Please hear this again, guys. This is a very important time for you to be subscribed over here and follow me on this if you have anything to do with SOL, okay? Live trade entries. We haven't lost a trade on the channel yet. I will show you guys how to manage those as well as you need to be watching the metrics based off what this has happened for this news article. Like I said, I don't cover news a lot, but this could be something where people wake up and they start putting a little bit of panic in the market. So let's watch that. The trend exhaustion is sitting somewhat in close to the middle. You know, the money flow is sitting closer to the bottom where I do think this could see a little bit of a pump up. So that's my official call on both these trades, guys. You know, good job for winning the 36th out of 36 trade automatically with this update. You know, 6% is better than, you know, negative 50% in your account. So good job on that win. And then this is a 50% exit. If we get anywhere close to being in the profit for this trade here, guys, I want you to take profit. So literally, I'm calling this out as well. If we get to 170, I know this isn't a lot. I'm actually going to mock this up on the chart so you guys can see this here. And I will do a full update on Bitcoin today, by the way. I know I haven't done that for a few days. You guys are probably all going to win the Bitcoin trade as well today. So I'll it's just been crazy how many trades we're winning. So I'm going to call, this is going to be a full exit. So we're going to call, actually, what it really is a 50% exit because we were already taking a 50% exit at the structure below here, right down there. Okay, guys? So let's recap here. Those of you guys who got in yesterday, which was actually our second buy limit for our first trade, you're exiting right now with 50% market order. You are guaranteed to win that trade. Awesome. Great job. Everybody, and then what I want you guys to do is hold. Can you guys just do this for me? Hold until I do another update on SOL. This could go down fast. It could go up. I understand that. With this type of news, I want you guys to hold your trades. Hold your trades. That means do not put any buy limits in the market. This is such crazy news that this thing could go haywire in hours. So I want you to just be paused. I don't care if this thing goes up and makes all-time highs. You need to stay cautious in this, and I suggest you guys just hold off right now, okay? Very important update here. With the trade that we were in, your break-even entry is at 164.96. If we get anywhere up to this area where it's 170, I'm literally just going to put this in here. I'm going to make sure this is very clear for you guys so I can keep this all transparent. 170, we're looking for just a little bit of profit on this. This will clearly cover all of your guys' exchange fees, commissions, everything. We're going for about a 3.30% profit, okay? That is my official call. I want you guys to follow this. If you trust me, I'm not your financial advisor, but we haven't lost a trade yet. With this type of news, I want to just keep us safe in here. So that's the official call. I'm going to render this video right now so you guys can get this. The indicators are in the description as well as over here under the indicators tab. Quickly making this available to you guys. The trend exhaustion, the price versus the one money flow. The bundle down here is the best thing to get because these indicators over the next few months will be going up in value. This will be staying the same. So you're going to get appreciating value on indicators, something that I don't know if you've ever been able to get before. So make sure you guys snag those, and I will be covering this more in the next few days. All right, guys, God bless you guys so much. This is the official update for SOL, and I will be coming out with a Bitcoin update right after this video. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.